If you're a professional woman who suffers from binging and compulsive eating and you think it's all your fault, it's not. The root is deep in your subconscious, which controls your habits and behaviors. And when you click this ad, you can register for my free workshop to end emotional eating in 90 days or less, where I'll show you how you can stop feeding your low self-esteem, low confidence, and failures, and start treating yourself the way you want to be treated, with love, respect, and the type of success you experience in other areas of your life. I'm also going to show you how you can finally say goodbye to the diets and say hello to your newfound trust in yourself. With my unique 3-step method to end emotional eating in 90 days or less that I wish was available when I was struggling with compulsive eating and binging, you'll discover root causes and triggers that drive you to uncontrollable eating, best strategies to be at peace with food and live happily with confidence, how having more wins than losses will lead you to a better self-image and sense of self-worth. This is a proven method that worked for me and other successful women, and it'll work for you too. Imagine going about your life without crazy cravings for sugar and salty snacks. Imagine feeling happy, healthy, and in control with the way that you want to eat. And imagine being able to eat whatever you want without feeling triggered to binge or feeling guilty. Forget about diets, injections, and food plans. They don't work for long, and you know it. So if you're a professional woman who wants to end binging and compulsive eating once and for all and feel aligned with the success that you have in other areas of your life, then your transformation begins now. Click the button next to this ad to access my free training workshop, where I'll show you my unique 3-step method to end emotional eating in 90 days or less, and I'll see you there.